Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this really peachy, pinky Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for you guys. I created this look using all drugstore products. The only thing that's not drugstore are the lashes, but it was like 10 bucks at Sephora, so it's pretty much like drugstore pricing. This is going to be a pretty quick tutorial. It's pretty much going to be music in the background and me basically getting ready. I do have a giveaway going on my Instagram currently, so make sure you guys check that out for the details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all that great stuff. Hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day wherever you are. And now let's jump right into the tutorial.